Hi everybody, my name is Chris, and today I'm going to go through some of the installation accessories available for K.2 loudspeakers. First, we have our K.2 series yoke mount brackets. The yokes are made of powder-coated steel and are ideal for mounting your K.2 series loudspeaker onto walls, beams, truss, or other surfaces. The yokes can be mounted in either vertical orientation with adjustable angle or horizontal orientation with adjustable tilt. Additionally, the yokes can be shortened to utilize the side mounting points for situations where you require a narrow profile but with down tilt only. These three unique mounting options provide plenty of versatility for just about any surface that you might attach your K.2 speaker onto. Please note that the K.2 yokes are not backward compatible with the legacy K series, and vice versa. The second installation accessory is the eye-bolt kit. This is an alternative mounting solution to the yoke mount. The M10 Kit C comes with 3 M10 rated eye bolts, although only 2 are required with the K.2 series since it includes an integrated pullback attachment point. The eye bolt kit allows your K.2 series loudspeaker to be suspended according to your local rigging and safety regulations. The C in M10 Kit C stands for composite enclosure and should not be confused with the M10 Kit W that has a longer threaded shaft for wood enclosure loudspeakers. The last accessory we'll go over is the security lockout cover, or LOC for short. This accessory is unique to the K.2 series of loudspeakers. The plastic lockout cover can be mounted on the rear of the loudspeaker with the included 4 small screws, protecting the controls from unauthorized tampering. Please note that the KS series subwoofer model will use a different lockout cover called the KS Lock LOC, which is not compatible with the K.2 series or vice versa. Thanks for checking out the K.2 accessory video. We'll see you next time.